To complete the picture of manual supplier entries in QuickBooks, if we go to the plus sign in the top left, we'll see under suppliers at the bottom credit card credit. So credit card credit is perhaps a little bit of an unusual expression, but what that actually is if we've got a credit card account in our chart of accounts in QuickBooks and we're entering individual credit card transactions, using the credit card credit we can apply a transaction where we've returned some goods perhaps and got a credit back on our card. So if we're making payments through the credit card account, we would use expense, and we would click on expense and input the details of the expense using the credit card account from our chart of accounts to select there to show that that's an expense on a credit card. The opposite transaction to that would be our credit card credit. So credit card credit, if I open up that screen, again I would put the details of a particular supplier that I'd returned the goods for. I would specify the credit card if I've got more than one, but it's only offering me the option of one because that's all I've got in my QuickBooks. And the payment date when the money's gone back into my credit card account, and I would be selecting the category saying what kind of expenditure was the expense related to that we've now returned the information for. So perhaps it's an office supply. I could put a description in here of the goods that I've been credited for, and again I would in here say that I've got a certain amount back, it's exclusive of tax here, and I'll put the tax code in to say there we are, there's my £36 that's come back into my account, and the £6 of VAT is accounted for because it is a VATable transaction. I claimed the VAT back on my expense, therefore I would need to return the VAT when I put it through on the credit card credit account. So that's what a credit card credit in QuickBooks will do.